Welcome back to Guru Design Lab. I am Guru and today's SOLIDWORKS tutorial we are diving into exercise 35. This model is a fantastic challenge because it features a multi-body assembly style design with multiple overlapping blocks, cylindrical shafts and precise symmetric dimensions. We will cover how to efficiently lay out and multi-view projection, use advanced sketching constraint and extrude it different colored components step by step. Whether you want to master top-down design and improve your blueprint reading skills, this video is for you, and grab your mouse and fire up SolidWorks and let's build this together. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. So first we need to select any part, then select a new part and then OK. Take any plane like top plane and then a sketch. Take a center rectangle, then go to a smart dimension and measure it 20 mm and this is 70 mm. And go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 20 mm and then OK. Again this select this face and go to a sketch and take a corner rectangle, start from this point and select this line and then OK. Again select this corner rectangle and create a rectangle like this and go to smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm and this one is 20 mm and this one is 10. Go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 20 mm and then OK. And then again select this face and go to a sketch and create a circle. Then go to smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. Measure it for 10 mm and the distance from this origin is 30 mm. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 50 mm. Then select OK. Again select this face and go to a sketch and create a reference line like center line. Then select OK. Then go to center rectangle and create a rectangle here. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. Here to here 10 mm. This is 10 mm and here to here 10 mm. And the distance from here to here is 10 mm. Then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude up to 10 mm. Then OK and select this face and go to a sketch. Select a circle. Go to smart dimension and measure it for 5 mm dia and then go to smart dimension and measure it for 5 mm. This one is 10 mm. Go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 30 mm and then OK. We can mirror these entities. Go to mirror tab and select a plane like front plane and then go to features to mirror, select extrude boss face and this extrude boss face and select OK. You can see here this is already made here. Then select this face and go to a sketch tab and select a center rectangle and go to a smart dimension and measure it for 10 mm. Select this for 10 mm. This one is 10 mm. One is also 10 mm. Select extrude boss face. Go to features tab and select extrude boss face and extrude it up to 10 mm. Then OK. Then go to mirror entities, features to mirror, select face plane, then select right plane and go to features to mirror, select boss extrude and select OK. You can see here this model is complete by easy way. And then after go to appearance tab and select first select this face and go to appearance tab and select any color, then OK. Go to appearance tab, select this color. And that's a wrap of exercise 35 in SolidWorks. If this helped you in understand how to break down complex multi-view drawings and multi-body parts, please give a big like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments below if you ran any issues with the dimensions or the extrusions. Thank you so much for watching. I am Guru and this is Guru Design Lab. Keep practicing, keep designing, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.